Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the necessary element of life. Air is all around us. We know that all living things need air to breathe. Fresh air is good for our health also. And we can feel the air when it blows. Moving air is called wind. Our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. Presence of atmosphere makes the earth habitable. Now, I will discuss about the properties of air. Air has some properties like it occupies space, it has weight, it is colorless and tasteless, it exerts pressure, it expands on heating. Now, we have to know what is the composition of air. Air is a mixture of different gases. Air contains nitrogen. It also contains oxygen that enables us to breathe and live. And it contains carbon dioxide that is needed by plants. Some other gases present in air are argon, helium, and ozone. Air also contains water vapor, dust, and smoke. Nitrogen is most abundant gas in the air. Air contains 78% nitrogen. Plants need nitrogen to grow. However, all plants cannot use nitrogen gas from the air directly. Only some plants, such as peas and beans, can convert atmospheric nitrogen to a useful form in their roots. Oxygen. Air contains 21% oxygen. Oxygen is needed by all living things for breathing. The presence of oxygen makes life on the earth possible. Oxygen is also needed for burning. Then carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is needed by all green plants for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plays a major role in trapping the sun's heat that enters the Earth's atmosphere. This maintains the required warmth on the Earth. However, burning large amounts of fossil fuels releases a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere traps more heat from the sun. This raises the temperature of the earth. And other gases, traces of some other gases such as hydrogen, ozone, helium, neon, argon, and krypton are also present in the air. Water vapor. Beside these gases, there is water in the air in the form of water vapor. The water from the surface of rivers, oceans, and other water bodies evaporates due to the heat of the sun and forms water vapor in the atmosphere. Water vapor also contributes in trapping the sun's heat in the atmosphere. Now, we have to know what are the properties of air. Already I have discussed about this. Air has weight, air occupies space, air expands on heating. Now, uses of air. Moving air can support parachutes, gliders, and kites. Air is used to inflate footballs and tubes of tires. It can also push sailboats, turn the blades of windmills to draw water or to generate electricity. And balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. Green plants use this carbon dioxide along with water and sunlight for photosynthesis. They give out oxygen in return. This way, a balance is maintained between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. However, nowadays we are burning much more fuel in homes, cars and factories than we did before. We have also cut down a large number of trees. This has upset the balance of gases in the air. Today, there is more carbon dioxide in the air than before. Planting more trees will help to restore this balance. Now, air pollution. When large amount of dust, smoke and harmful gases get mixed with the air, it becomes unfit for breathing. This is called air pollution. And what are the causes of air pollution? Cars, buses, trucks or other vehicles give out harmful gases into the air. This happens when the petrol and diesel they run off burns. Factories give out a lot of smoke through their chimneys. Bursting of firecrackers also give out harmful smoke. Dust is a major pollutant of air. It comes mainly from places under constructions. Spitting and open defecation allows bacteria and viruses from sick people to enter the air. Effects of air pollution. Smoke and harmful gases affect our respiratory system and can cause diseases such as asthma and lung cancer. Air pollution can cause blood and heart diseases also. Air pollution also causes headaches and skin and eye irritations. Air pollution also damages buildings and monuments. The white marble of the Taj Mahal is turning yellow because of the chemicals released by factories around it. Which way we can reduce air pollution? Some process we have to follow. We should use public transport instead of using our own cars whenever possible. Number 2, we should use CNG, compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, as fuel for vehicles. This causes less air pollution. Vehicles should undergo regular pollution checks. Chimneys in factories must be fitted with filters. The filter remove harmful gases before other gases are released into the air. We must use wind energy and solar energy to reduce the use of fuels such as petrol, diesel and coal. We should plant more trees. Trees help to keep the air clean. That is all for today. Bye students.